Pricing is the scariest number in your business, and most owners just guess or copy a competitor and quietly leave money on the table. AI can't set the one perfect price for you, but it can make you dramatically smarter about it in an afternoon. Here's how. Here's why pricing matters more than almost anything else. A small change in price flows straight to profit. No extra work, no extra customers. Raise a price 10% and hold your sales, and that's often more money than an entire marketing campaign. Pricing is pure leverage. Start here. Ask AI to help you list everything your customer actually gets. Not just the product, but the outcome, the time saved, the stress avoided. People pay for value, not for cost. You can't price with confidence until you clearly see your own value first. Feed AI what you know about your competitors' pricing and ask it to map the landscape. Where's the low end, the high end, the gaps nobody's filling? Now you're pricing with an actual map, instead of a nervous guess made in the dark at midnight. Ask AI to explain your options in plain English. Premium, budget, or the dreaded muddy middle. Cost plus versus value-based. It'll lay out the trade-offs so you choose a strategy on purpose, instead of just defaulting to whatever number happens to feel safe today. Here's a classic. Ask AI to design 3 pricing tiers. Good, better, and best. Most people pick the middle, and that top tier quietly makes the middle look perfectly reasonable. 3 options almost always outsell one. AI can build the entire structure for you in minutes. Ask AI about pricing psychology. Why $19.99 beats $20. Why showing your expensive option first makes everything after it feel like a deal. These aren't cheap tricks. They're just how brains actually judge value. So you may as well use them on purpose. Let AI talk you out of the race to the bottom. If your only edge is being the cheapest, someone will always undercut you, and then you both lose. Ask it instead how to justify a higher price with better value, service, or experience. Compete on worth, not price. Pricing isn't permanent. Ask AI to design a simple test. Try a higher price on one product and just watch what actually happens. Real customer behavior beats your gut fear that raising prices will scare everyone off. Spoiler. Usually, it quietly doesn't. Steal this. Here's my product, my costs, my customer, and my competitors' prices. Suggest 3 pricing strategies, a good, better, best tier structure, and the psychology behind each. Then tell me which one fits a business like mine, and clearly explain why. Ask AI to design bundles. Package related things together at a price that feels like a deal but quietly raises your average sale. Bundles make customers spend more while genuinely feeling like they saved money. Everybody's happy, and your receipt is meaningfully bigger. A freelancer charges by the hour and stays permanently broke. AI helps repackage the work into 3 flat-rate value tiers. Same work, but now clients buy an outcome, not a ticking clock. Revenue jumps, and suddenly nobody's arguing about billable minutes anymore. Dreading a price increase? Ask AI to write the announcement. Confident, warm, focused on the value, and not apologetic. How you tell people matters as much as the number itself. Done right, most customers barely blink. Apologize for it, though, and they'll wonder what's wrong. Have AI help you calculate your real break-even. What you must charge just to not lose money, once you count every hidden cost. A shocking number of businesses price below this without even knowing it. You genuinely cannot price up until you know exactly where your floor is. The big mistake is pricing on emotion. Charging little because you're scared, or feel guilty, or believe cheaper automatically means more customers. It usually just means far more work for less money and customers who don't value you anyway. Price on value, never on fear. Pro tip. Review your prices every 6 months with AI. Costs creep up, your value grows, markets shift, and most businesses just forget to adjust for years on end. A 20-minute check twice a year quietly protects your entire profit margin from slowly bleeding out. Put it together. You know your value, the market, your strategy, smart tiers, and your floor. That's not guessing anymore. That's pricing like a business that fully intends to actually make money, instead of one just hoping to somehow survive on sheer volume. Stop guessing, start pricing on value. If that helped, hit subscribe. Built with AI. One practical play a week. See you next time.